All right, folks, so here we are in Coloma, Wisconsin. Coloma, Wisconsin happens to be a little town. I think it's about 10,000 people. I am not so sure. But today, my husband and I, we are going to go to downtown Coloma. Just so you get to see how it looks like. Last time we drove through here, I thought I saw a church. And it looked really nice and cute. They had a nice hotel. See, babe, you're gonna make it left right there.
This intersection?
I believe. No, see the truck? Where the truck is?
Okay.
That one. Nice little Coloma. It is March what? 3rd? 4th. Oh my God, it's already March 4th. Jeez Louise. This is how it looks.
I think we just missed it. It's right there.
Oh, is it? Oh, darn it.
We'll go back to it. There's got to be a
little
street there somewhere.
Coloma, Wisconsin. Boy. Oh, so it's just like a little town. It's not that big.
Oh, Coloma, I don't think isn't very big at all.
They got a bar, I'm sure.
Oh, there are a couple of bars here.
Oh boy.
Here's one of them.
And there's one, oh yeah, and it is open now. Oh my God. One thing about Wisconsin is that you can always drink, right? It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Just
look at that. That is
going across the road.
Let him go, yeah.
Go ahead.
He's not
looking for
no,
cars.
Go. Good kid. He's like making sure that no cars are coming. A smart kid. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. It seems like it's a church, right? That's what it is. Thank you, honey. It's beautiful. Beautiful church. Seems like this is it.
That's it.
Alcohol, more alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Right next to the post office.
Coloma Liquors, library, a bank, and another bar.
And yeah, another bar. Yeah. Wisconsin's alcohol, ma'am. Gotta drink it. And this is on 21. And then we get to...
We go over 39.
Over 39, right? So right off at 21 and 89, there will be Coloma. 39, my apologies. Yes. 39. There will be Coloma, Wisconsin. And that's what it was. So thank you for watching our videos, guys. Here at Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jessica Sinna. Thank you so much to the subscribers. Thank you for watching the videos. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.